This is a weather briefing for Saturday evening, February 8th, 2014, from the National Weather Service in St. Louis. Who's tired of seeing this guy? I am. Countdown to spring, 40 days and counting. 11:57 a.m. on March 20th, beginning of spring. Unfortunately, winter continues. Tonight, cloudy with a chance of light snow, lows in the teens to low 20s. Sunday, a better chance of snow, with highs in the upper teens to mid-30s, and then turning very cold again on Monday with highs in the single digits and lows below zero again. You're asking yourself, more snow? Yes, more snow on Sunday. A weak disturbance will ripple across the area with snow spreading from the plains into the mid-Mississippi River Valley during the day. It looks like accumulations will be anywhere from 1 to 2 inches, especially in a band roughly from Jefferson City eastward, from Washington, Missouri to Mount Vernon, Illinois. Cold air really builds back in for Sunday night into Monday, and by Monday morning, look at this, wind chills once again below minus 15 degrees across parts of northern Missouri and central Illinois. This has been your depressing winter weather briefing for Saturday, February 8th, 2014. Make sure you visit our website at www.weather.gov/St. Louis.